Hi, I'm Athena Lumsden, clinical cannabis educator and author of Practical Cannabis, and I am entering my infused gnocchi and cheese, which is made with CBD infused roasted garlic and THC infused cheese sauce that is just supremely decadent. And what I really love most about this recipe is that while it's supremely decadent, it's actually really easy and practical and direct and precise dosing, which is just, you know, if you're going to go and get blitz, that's great. But if you're going to use it for daily usage, you need to know what you're using, how much you're using, and how you're using it. So it's really great. And the cheese, I might even go lower doses than they're asking me to, because that cheese sauce is going to support those cannabinoids so well. It's going to absorb better and last longer. So that might be a little bit of a overwhelming. So I want to pace it for these guys and be kind to them. Um, but yeah, and I am entering this contest because most of my focus of my work is about how cannabis works and why it works and how to apply it to your life uniquely. But when this contest came out, my inbox got jammed with people telling me that I needed to share my work and show my food and get out there into the universe and, show off the book, I guess. But yeah, I'm here because I succumbed to peer pressure. I hope you enjoy what I have to share, and thank you for having me.